Are you confused by your 3CX system and want to learn more about how it works? By the end of this video, we promise that you'll know how 3CX functions and be better prepared to use it in the future. Hi, I'm Jennifer Gutierrez, Client Account Manager at Intelligent Technical Solutions. And in this video, we'll explain how 3CX works and show you that it's much more simple than it looks. 3CX can be confusing because it seems like an entirely new system from regular phone lines. But honestly, it's just a regular phone system packed with more features. 3CX is a program that uses Voice over Internet Protocol system, or more commonly known as VoIP. This means it uses the internet to transfer your call instead of copper lines in a traditional phone system. Because it uses the internet to transmit your calls, 3CX provides more features while allowing for better flexibility. For example, you may have different extension numbers just for one person. They may have multiple offices and use certain numbers for certain days. But with VoIP, this person's extension number is the same for all devices, no matter the location. Also, instead of being limited to a desk phone that occupies your desk, you can use your computer or smartphone. Whatever your preferences are, you have the power of choice. To help you out with all of these features and devices, we've made a video series explaining key details about the 3CX program. Thanks for watching this video. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology. See you in our other videos.